Welcome to my channel Sri Krishna Tech Talks. So today we are going to learn one important topic which we use in Swift. So that is called as Swift macros. Swift macro. So what is Swift macro? Why we need to use Swift macros? What is the advantage of using Swift macro? So first of all, basically if you go for Swift macro, the main advantage you get it from is the code generation will be made easy. Okay, code generation made easy. So that is the main advantage when we use Swift macros. So let's get into detail like why we need to use Swift macros. So what exactly means Swift macros? So what is a macro? Before getting into Swift macros, just we try to understand what is a macro. A macro is a small code template. It's a small code template that expands into actual Swift code. Small code template that expands into actual Swift code when compiled. So what does it mean? You define it once and reuse it across your code base to simplify common patterns. Okay, so